My pipo, e don settle. Kasala don burst for inside Ogberaka industry. There is fire on the mountain. Eweleke. They never even start. Judy Austin secret don dey expose. Like seriously? My pipo, yawa don gas. Omo, you see dis Yul Edochie politics wey e wan dey play now. Dis Yul Edochie politics wey e just enter. Na only God go save Yul o. Na only God na im go save Yul. Because a lot of things dey happen. A lot of things don dey happen. Guys, deep secrets don expose for social media. Judy Austin is missing o. Judy has been missing for days now. Juju Ekwesu has been missing for days. Her husband wan be governor o. Yul Edochie must get position under Tinubu administration. So therefore, Judy need to tighten her seat belt. Judy need to do the undoable. Judy need her husband Yul Edochie to be in power. Omo, if desperation was a person, na really first lady of Nigeria. Ewe. Yul wey don dey play politics, Judy never even dey Yul life. Even though say she don already dey Yul Edochie life, Yul still dey hide her. They dey do hide and seek. Talk less of now wey e be say e matter don cast. Now wey na spoiled bole, as in rot ten bole wey nobody wan even buy for market. Na now Yul go come win. You know since when Yul dey campaign, you know since when Yul get interest for this politics game, yet even with Queen May Edochie effort, e be like say God know say Yul no be good person. E be like say God no want make Queen May Edochie labour be in vain. That's why e no even let Yul even win the election when he campaign for. Judy, if you like, do anything, do undoable, abi doable. If you like, wear jalabia, still write am say Asiwaju 2027 or Asiwaju first daughter, anyone, or first lady of Nigeria, anyone. See, if e didn't dey, e didn't dey. My people, una know say yesterday Gistlover come out. Gistlover come out, come tell us the kind kurukere waka wey Judy dey waka on top this Yul Edochie politics wey e don join. As Yul Edochie dey try all means possible to make sure say e chop federal government money. They say nothing and nowhere when Judy never waka go. According to Gistlover, our violence headquarter, when they give woto and violence for free. That was what Gistlover said yesterday. That Judy has been wakaring. She has been wakaring. Now make God not let her go waka to a journey of no return on top this Yul Edochie politics. My people, and really not be lie o. According to information, they say Judy Austin daughter when she get with Mr. Obasi, who has been staying with her for a while now, first time in history, after Judy did her birthday. Una know say na during that her birthday photo shoot video, na we take see and say her daughter was even there. Now from there, they even go screenshot this white shirt, this white top shirt when Judy wear. She come still transfer am give his daughter. All her mates, they give their daughter good inheritance. They give their daughter good things to inherit. They'll build mansion down, do so, put money for account. Now shirt when Judy don dey wear since 2002, now he still keep for her daughter. Now from there, online in-laws come know say so Judy's daughter was right in her house in Abuja. So my people, they say ever since now, as Judy don't know say Yul don enter politics full time like this, Na her daughter come still dey stay there make she dey help dem dey take care of their children. Una know those children dey still dey very independent. They are still they are babies, so they need support. So they say for over some days now, Judy don comot for house. Judy is nowhere to be found. According to information, say she leave children for her first daughter with Obasi. Say Judy just dey waka from one office to another, from one baba. That is nowhere when they say Judy leg never enter. She has been missing. Her daughter don dey cry, go even call her grandmother, who is Judy's mother. Go call Judy's sister, Augusta, say, make dem tell Judy make she come house. She no be nanny she na pikin. Judy no fit just leave children for her travel like that. If this is what Judy want her to come and be doing in Abuja, she rather go and stay with her grandma in Umuoji for Ndi-Imili local government area of Anambra State. Say why Judy go just leave pikin for her like this? E no make sense. Wetin where Judy dey go? No be say na hustle she go hustle now, say she dey go from one trade fair to another, or she wan go endorse for brand, like brand call her as their brand ambassador. Nothing. Which kind of travel Judy travel now when she go come leave 3 children on her care? Like wetin dey happen? Omo, na information dey get to us now say Judy has been wakaring. Nowhere when Judy leg never touch for Abuja. Never even start for councillor or member of a rep or House of Assembly. Judy don dey even dey wear First Lady of Nigeria polo. Judy now one day, as in Judy eyes, where her eyes dey, na her desperation, her open eye, her greediness, na it cause Judy where she dey so. Seeing Judy mates, when I mean her mates, all of the way be say we don see their pictures with Judy together for 5, 10 years ago. See how well they are doing in the industry. Some of them don't even relocate, come out from Naija. Judy still dey inside one bedroom apartment with 3 children and nothing to even show, say, this is what I do for a living. Career-wise, she's dead. Nobody even address Judy now as an actress. I never see where they won't post Judy Austin update or any news about her, whether from Linda Ikeji or from Insta blog or even Gossip Me. May they address Judy, introduce her as an actress, Nollywood actress. No, always Yul Edochie second wife, Yul Edochie wife, Yul Edochie wife. Like Judy no even can't get her own name. They cannot even identify her on her own without Yul Edochie wife. Since she don't know, say her own don't finish. When it comes to career, her own don't finish. So Judy now they do everything. She dey do everything to make sure, say, Yul Edochie, the position where he dey fight for, though he never unveil wetin he wan campaign for. Say make Yul win am by fire by force. Judy can do anything. But one thing when I go tell Judy, no be by that, no be by gra-gra. No be by gra-gra, because no be today Yul Edochie dey this game. No be today. You saw the pictures on social media, how Queen May Edochie campaigned with him. Like Queen May literally helped Yul campaign. When Yul sef dey campaign for Anambra governor, that time sef, maybe na that time you started dey high Yul. Na that time your eye dey Yul Edochie body. So no be by pressure. If e no happen that time, no be now when Yul don get bad name. Person wey no fit protect im family, wey no fit keep im family intact, na they wan entrust Nigeria for im hand. Go and sit down there. Not be only First Lady of Nigeria. So all these were your plans when you came to destroy another woman's home. Now all this one be wetin you wan come enjoy before. When you dey use hand knack chest, they say nothing dey happen. Whereas something dey happen. If by now you are still saying nothing dey happen, then sorry to say, Judy, you are a big FOOL. Yes, because if you see your life now, you go see and say now from one drag to another, from one gbasgbos to another. Even while you even try to present yourself now as a good person, as a peaceful person, yet nobody is taking it from you. Now life you dey so. That's not life now. That's not life. Let's call a spade a spade. You are just living without peace. Like peace is far from you. Every day you don't come to explain yourself for social media. My warriors, I can see how you are fighting for me. Who they fight for you? Wetin you do when they fight for you? They support you snatch person husband or you destroy person home. Stop wishing someone dead. That is not what what I stand for. I stand for peace and love. I pray you go explain, you go tire. No evidence. No evidence. This your desperation, this your greediness, this your open eye wey make you now don dey form first lady of Nigeria. No be only first lady. Na you just be the lady, just comot the first. Na you be the whole lady of Nigeria. Na im dey worry you come reach na so. E no go reach your hand, Judy. E no go reach your hand. Enter house go take care of your children. They say your daughter don dey cry say for over 3 days now you never come house. Na only God know where you dey waka dey go. After all, kpekus, nothing dey there. Everybody don fair use am. So no be say na something wey you fair even keep again when you get respect. That one don sour. Wetin producers and directors allegedly say they take dey do location refreshment. Wetin everybody dey use throway, e reach you turn am to a personal thing. So na wetin e third leg cause na im be this. My people, no be small matter. Judy has been missing. If una see am for Abuja, Mona tell am say im daughter don dey call am make e come take care of im 3 children. Say she wan return back to village. She rather go and stay with her grandma than to be doing nanny for Judy Austin, who has nothing to offer, who has brought shame and disgrace to her. Now work she wan go learn that day now when they disgrace her. Nobody take her. Say make she come learn tailoring for their shop. Why? Because of Judy name. Nobody want to associate with anything that has to do with Judy. Everybody dey run because once comrades like this online FBI do investigation, say see where Judy Austin daughter dey work, dey learn work, that shop, that person go lock and enter house within 3 days. So everybody dey avoid Judy. You see the kind bad luck when she come carry now give her daughter. Anyway, that's life for you. Irony of life. Whatever you sow is what you reap. You can't escape it. That's called karma. God bless you guys. This na Bazi News. Hit on the follow button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to put up the post notification bell. I'll see you all on my next upload.